इरम फातिमा LKG, वो आए और अपनी पोएम पेश करें। इरम फातिमा LKG वो आए और अपनी पोएम पेश करें।
Good morning. My name is Iram Fatma. I read in class LKG. I want to read a poem. Red light, what you say? I say stop right away. Yellow light, what you mean? I say wait till the light is green. Green light, what you say? I say go right away. Seesaw up and down, which is the way to London town? One foot up and the other foot down, that is the way to London town.